Hello and welcome. Today I want to show you how you can analyze results in MS Excel, then generate report cards for the students who have sat for that exam. Here I have a folder. If I open it, you can see I have an image which I'm going to use to make a logo for that report card. And here I have student marks, which is not yet analyzed. We are going to use a process called mail merging to be able to connect the report cards to the results which we have in MS Excel. First, let us start by making a report, and I'm going to use this picture in MS Word to make a nice logo, which I will finally finish it in MS Paint. Then I will save it as an image file. Let me start MS Word. Choose blank document. I will come and insert the picture which is in the folder on the desktop. So I'm going to use this image to make the logo for a school. Let me try to modify it a bit. Under correction, I can choose that option. I want to move it in the middle, so I will click it. Under wrap text, I will choose tight. Be able to move this in the middle here. Go to shapes in the insert tab and get a round shape. Press shift to get a perfect circle, and I want to remove the fill in this shape, so I will come to shape fill and choose here no fill, and I will go ahead and change the color of this shape here in the shape outline. I can just use let me just use this purple, a brown color, and change the weight of the shape to 4.5. Now it looks great about the school. So let me just come and insert tab, look for word art. In the word art, I can click this and just write here Karen Senior School. I can change the size to be small. Let me reduce the size a bit, and I want this text to be blue in color. I will go ahead when it is selected to format under text effects. I will do transform and put it like this. Now it is in better position. Let me try to increase the size a bit. I think now it is okay. There. Now I will go ahead and copy this shape. Control C and C on the keyboard, Control and V to paste it. Then I will move this copy here on top and try to make a pattern. will go ahead now and write the slogan for the school down here. I will just copy this box, this word art box, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and pull it down here. And I will come and transform this text under text effect transform and take this bottom one. I will go ahead and change color to black, and here I want to write always ahead, and that is I've changed the language here to always ahead. This is the slogan for the school, and I will give it red color. Now I can come and click at the border of this box and adjust this a bit on this side. Always ahead. I hope it is in the better position. I will go ahead now and get my straight line, insert let me draw a box here and fill it with this color and remove the outline from the box. And I will get my straight line now. Put it there, change the color and increase the weight to 4.5. I will go ahead and click this shape, Ctrl C to copy it and Ctrl V to paste it. Now I want to flip it. When it is selected, I will come to rotate, flip horizontal, and now I can position it here. Now the remaining part I will finish in MS Paint. I'm going to the keyboard and pressing this button, print screen. This is a very important button for taking screenshot. Can you locate it? Just locate this on the keyboard and press it. I will go ahead after pressing print screen to the paint. Now while in MS Paint you can see the paste button is active. Click paste, and now you have your logo here with you. So I'm going to remove one line here which is passing through the inside of the circle. So I will increase the zooming in MS Paint, increase the zooming to 300 at least. And now I'll pick eraser here, choose a smaller size, and try to remove this line. Slowly not to spoil everything. I will also come this side, try to remove it. Is not easy, but there. Now the rest I can easily move and remove. So I am using MS Paint to finish up the design. I will switch back the zooming to 100%, and you can see my logo is great now. I will go ahead and click select, then I will just crop it. Crop this and save it in the folder and give it the name logo. So right now I will move ahead in MS Word, remove the rest of these items so that I use this MS Word sheet to design a report form or a report for the exam. So I will move ahead and double click on the upper part, we call it the header. Now while inside I will insert the logo which I made and reduce it in size. I will go ahead, pick my text box and draw here. I will come and draw here. Then I will type here Karen Senior School PO Box 12345 Nairobi, Kenya. I will go ahead, select this heading, increase the size of this text and choose a nice font here. I think that is okay. Okay, and have a blue color for that. For this, okay, now I will go and remove the border for this text box. Click the border of the text box. Under format, look for shape outline and choose no outline. Now I am done. I will come and draw a line here. Insert press shift to get a straight line, and this can be that brown color, and which you can go by size 2 and a quarter. Now I am done. I'm going to click design and close header here. You can as well double click any part of this body, and now I have created the address for the school and the title. I will go ahead and type here exam report grid, increase this font, make it bold and center it. Now I will go ahead and save this in the desktop and just call it exam report. Now coming to my result here, I will open this file, and in this file you can see I have student marks but not yet analyzed. I'm going to calculate the total here using the sum and drag down my formula for average. I will put it there, average, double click it and select until science. Never select the total, it is not a subject. And for the grade, I'm going to use this grading system. Anything 50 and above is a pass. So I will just say here, if greater or equal to 50, it should write a pass, comma, else it should be a fail. Close the bracket, enter. And this one now, and the grades for the students. I will go ahead and save the changes and close this file now. I will go back to my report card, and here I want to write student name. Let me increase this size to around 14, space, and put here first name placeholder, 2 spaces, last name. Then I will go ahead and write here now. Down here I want to insert a table, and now after inserting this table, let me reduce zooming a bit. I want now to make this bold. This one can be bold with the red color. This table I want it to have wider rows, so I will select it, right click, choose table properties. Under rows I will specify 0.5. For cells I will click center, and I want it to be, I will click here and come to design, choose borders, then borders and shading. I want it to be purple color, and the thickness of the lines to be 2.25, like that. I will select these two, come to home and color this thing. Let me give it a nice color. Alright, just give it. Let me just give it that. So here I can have subject. Can have your subject. Select this to be white. Then here I can have here max in bracket percentage. Now I have the following subjects. I have mathematics. Down here, you can write here yours faithfully. Principal of the school, and underline that. So this is the report card, and I have the format now. So we are going to generate reports for these students. For each and every one of these students, I will generate a report for each row here. It will be in the report. And to do that, just come to the report itself. Let me reduce the zooming. Now this is what we will do. Come to mailings. This is what we call mail merging. Mailings. Start mail merge. Step by step wizard. Then next here in this pen. Then next, when you see browse, you browse for your Excel file. Mine is here. In this window, if there are more than 2 sheets, they will be listed here, and you select the sheet you want. But in this case, there is only one sheet, so I will just click OK here. Now you see there is a list of my students here, but these other rows, they are not containing students information, so I will just uncheck them to remove them from the list, so that whatever I have is exactly student information. Then I will click OK. Now you will see this part active. You just select the placeholder like this. Come to insert merge field and click first name. I will select last name. For the mathematics, I can choose math. For the English, choose English, and for the science, choose science. For total, choose total, and for average, choose average. Finally, grades, choose grade. Now I can go and preview it here, and now you can see when I preview, the information which is in Excel is shown here. This shows the number, so I can click this one to go to the first person, then here next. Now I can preview how they look until the 10th student. Finally, when I'm satisfied, now I can come and finish the merge and choose edit individual documents and click OK. Now it has generated, as you can see here, a new document with all the report forms. They are in a new document. That is how we do mail merging. So I will go ahead and save this file and just call it printouts. Printouts, and click save. That is how simple it is to do mail merging in MS Word from the results which are contained in MS Excel file. Thank you for participating. See you next time. Bye bye.